Active elements in interface design. Active elements in interface design are interactive components that users engage with to perform actions or navigate through the application. These elements are crucial for creating an intuitive and engaging user experience. Active elements in interface design like buttons, links, forms and input fields, drop-down menu, slider, navigation menu, tabs, modals and dialog, carousels, accordions are active elements in a user interface design. The importance of active elements make the interaction with the interface more engaging, and usability enhances the clear feedback and guiding the user through tasks, and interactivity allows users to interact with the interface in meaningful ways, and finally accessibility will improve the uh, user experience to understand and interact with the interface. Next, practical examples. First one, e-commerce checkout process. So the first active element is a button. A prominent add to cart and checkout buttons guide the purchase process. Next, form UI element, which simplified and clearly labeled forms for shipping and payment information with real-time validation. Drop-down menus, country and state selectors for shipping detail. Sliders like price range sliders in product filters. And this is a typical checkout flow which is having a 6-step process. Here the first step is product page. In the product page, the products will be listed out, and during the shopping page, shopping cart and review items will be added to the shopping page, and in the fourth step, shipping and billing informations will be displayed to the user interface elements, and in the fifth stage the payment information will be processed for the user, and finally the last step, sixth step, order confirmation will be given to the user for purchase. Now, social media platform. Second example. Here we have buttons like share and comment buttons for engaging with content. Next, navigation menus. Sidebar menus for accessing different sections like home, profile, and settings. Next one is tab. Tabbed content for organization post, photos, and friends on user profile. Next one, modals. Modal dialogues for creating new post or editing profile information. Third example, banking application. So the first element is the prominent element, which is a button. It quick action buttons for transferring money or paying bills. Next, input fields. Secure input fields for entering account details and passwords. Sliders, budget sliders for setting savings goals. Accordions, expandable sections for transaction details and account settings. Now, best practices for active elements. First one, ensure accessibility. Design interactive elements that are accessible to all users, including those with disabilities. Second, provide feedback. Always provide visual or haptic feedback when users interact with active elements. Third, maintain consistency. Use consistent styles and interactions across all active elements to create a cohesive user experience. Fourth, optimize for touch. Ensure active elements are easily tappable on touch devices with sufficient spacing to avoid accidental taps. And finally, fifth, prioritize usability. It focus on usability by making interactions intuitive and minimizing the number of steps required to complete actions. Next, static to active page. Transforming static elements into active ones in UI/UX design involves adding interactivity to enhance user engagement, usability, and overall experience. This shift can significantly improve how users interact with an application or website, making it more intuitive and responsive to their needs. Key concepts: static elements are passive components that display information but do not allow user interactions.